Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Slossin' that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now. But you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that new. I'm about to drop in a few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
Don't do this for nothing. Oh, on the ground, oh, yeah. But I don't do this shit for nothing. No, not at all. Yeah. But my money real, that you do. Oh yeah. So I don't do this shit for nothing.
Like I never left. Stand for some shit that you never read. Passing through stages in life, through the ups and the downs, like it's all just another test. Live by the rules like a fucking ref. I got respect in 100 sets. Too many chains need another chest. Playing no games if it wasn't chess. Cut from that cloth that you couldn't stretch. Cut from that circle you couldn't test. Heavily pressured and under stress, even though niggas ain't sure we was a mess. Honest attempt playing to the left. Judge a young nigga by their dress. Left is no option, what they expect? Only thing we knew for sure is the maintenance set. Fuck living basic, I'm taking risks. Fuck what they saying, I'm saying this. Don't waste your testament, don't make you rich, it don't mean nothing, so fuck them, let's make a grip. Double up, triple up, make assists. Ballin' so hard you can pay a bitch. Lead to the lake if they wanna fish. Make sure them niggas around you stick to the script. It should be written in stone. You should come visit my zone. Don't take my word, double check all of my flows. Ask them how hustle got on, but fuck what you heard. This for who walk down that road. Sold everything but they sold. Straight off the curb. Real niggas rich as you nerds. Address to whom it make it. Look, lot of niggas feel what I want. Lot of niggas fold, but I cope. Lot of niggas gone, but I'm home. Lot of niggas off, but I'm on. Lot of niggas lost on this road. Couple niggas gave up they goal. Gang of niggas traded they soul. With me, I'm standing on 10 toes. Looking out my Benz window. Wonder where my friends all go. Scared to give my heart to this girl. Paranoid she gon' leave if my hands get low. Knowing that this game to be played, but I'm knowing that this game to be changed. I should be afraid of afraid. I'm just trying to live up to the meaning of my name. I'm just trying to live up to the niggas in my gang. I'm just trying to live up to my moment on the stage. I'm just trying to live up to the truth of my pain and the power that it gave me on the youth for today. I put a coupe in a safe, and I shoot from the waist. My time is money, and I ain't got a second for you flukes and you fakes.
How do you dream of my walls? How do you dream of my niggas? How do you dream of my brother? I do that shit with my niggas, yeah. How do you dream of my walls? How do you dream of my niggas? How do you dream of my brother? I do that shit with my niggas, yeah.
We be taking trips more than often this month. When I call, they pulling up 2, 3, stream up. You ain't doing enough for the clan. How I feel if I gotta sit it down. How the fam gon' feel? 120 in a euro, one hand on the wheel. I was just broke, ran through a $250,000. Can't believe I'm still here. Shed tears for the dead. Cubes in my daughter chain, she don't even wear. Pop my little brother up, you know we took it there. Real nigga telling on me, only thing that I fear. Yeah, only thing that I fear. Real nigga telling on me, only thing that I fear. Lot of niggas queers, lot of dope in the air. Lot of niggas queers, lot of dope in the air. Styrofoam contaminated, got a nigga meditating. Yeah, I said it got a nigga meditating. I can't even eat, listen medicated. I can't even sleep, listen medicated. I've been on my feet, chasing check at the check. Nigga week at the week, cause I'm dedicated. I can't even eat, listen medicated. I can't even sleep, listen medicated. I've been on my feet, chasing check at the check. Nigga week at the week, cause I'm dedicated.
I was been supposed to change up. I was been supposed to fold all this pressure. I was been supposed to change up. Nigga, what would I look like? I come from the hood, I represent the only way up. Had to hustle, boy, I'm trying to touch the toy. I'm trying to fuck these LA streets up. Think it's safe to say that I did it. Look, nigga, drugs, but the life you chose. But hanging niggas, they don't like parole. No such thing as they might parole. They putting cameras up and microphones. They got me sandwiched in. I want a nicer home. They know I take the risk. I don't know right from wrong. Plus any given day you might be gone. No cliches where the lines get drawn. Come on the block, it's a ride zone. Put a loot, nigga stoop in the pirate mode. Paint with less strokes and divide your dog. Guns get drawn, niggas lives get lost. Never was entitled, had to fight for raw necessities in life. You see the reason, right? I was been supposed to change up. I was been supposed to fold all this pressure. I was been supposed to change up. Nigga, what would I look like? I come from the hood, I represent the only way up. Had to hustle, boy, I'm trying to touch a toy. I'm trying to fuck these LA streets up. Think it's safe to say that I did it, look, nigga, up. All black, every day. In my 600 bands with a heavy chain. Look, you deserve a real nigga with money and some things in life that won't never change. Me, fell in love with a cute. A celebrity herself probably fuck with her music. She the one that the shit fit, but I can't stop her love. Yeah, look, all that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe 8 nights. So promethazine in a straight flight. Let me cut on my phone, let me get in my zone. Let me sit on myself, just leave a nigga alone. I'll be back in a few, got some rapping to do. Got some stacking still running, got some lapping to do. Oh, jokes to the side, nigga know that they ain't fucking with the flow I provide. Yo, notice how I started out a flow has evolved. That me and Rollo styles like Wade and LeBron. And it's all money in and your bros is in charge. Hoes a menage for the bros carte blanche. And them out of town suites cause they know we the ones. Equity, nigga, what I've chosen of course. No 360s, clothing and tour. When I do drop, I'ma blow past niggas and I toe tag niggas like I told them before. Got flow, got horse. Got dough, get more. Fuck mine, get yours and the show just started, nigga, hold your applause. Try to get to my spot. Look, you gotta go up floors. I put the 6 on stock, I was running through tires like chicks on tour. And if I'm at the game, you can bet your bottom dollar that I sit on floor. And if I'm at the fight, you can bet your bottom dollar sweat hit my whore.
Won't take no loss, won't take days off. We go so hard until we fall. Won't take no loss, won't take days off. We go so hard until we fall. A nigga used to dream, my reality's a dream now. Nigga used to dream, my reality a dream now. I'm living out my dreams now. Living out my dreams now. Sitting in the trap like damn, trying to turn a couple grams to a couple $100 grand. I grew up in the town, they don't make it out up. If you black, you don't live to see a man. You seen 21, you done won a lottery. Talking friends, where the streets stand. Take a lot from me, I washed up from a robbery. Now your name 4657239 B State property. Damn, you had a dream, now you living out a nightmare. You almost made a little nigga, you was right there. Now you released it, it's in another light year. Yeah, and it's quite clear. All you needed was a little bit of guidance. In your household, it was just silence. You was your own mother and your father. How the hell you supposed to know what to do when nobody showed you the ropes? All they showed you was pistols and dope. Game flags in the land with no hope. Wherever you fit a hat, mean a different hood. Make it out and they still want you in the hood. Your own homies don't want you living good. Niggas for the help get it understood. It's just a playground full of moon swings. Die for the color of your shoestrings. Wish I had a different way to view things. You either had a rap book or had a hoop dream.
For a time on the road, make time for your folks. It's your time, do the most. It's year what I gross. Did that for the bros. One time for the coast. Light one, nigga smoke. Shoot clutch, never choke. Aye. For a time on the road, make time for your folks. It's your time, do the most. It's year what I gross. Did that for the bros. One time for the coast. Light one, nigga smoke. Shoot clutch, never choke. Moved up on the road. Tell me, who came up like the low? Black Sam on parole. Turned that to the stone. Turned that to a brand. Did that for the fan. Crew stuck to the code. Blue chucks on the glow. We built to last, don't break a bend. Nobody put us here, but still we made it in. Me and my lady friend and my Mercedes Benz. We live a type of life you couldn't play pretend. And be the safe and then I'm in the bank again. You know I play to win. I went from paper thin into a spacious crib. Ain't gotta make my bed. I mean steak and eggs, you know the straight bed. Hey, for a time on the road, make time for your folks. Check. It's year what
Smoking weed with my niggas, I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas, I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us.
Look, we just sitting here trying to win. Pull up to the spot, it's a flock of bears. So much smoke, need oxygen. Free up money that's not to spend. All gold bottles that talks again. Standing on the couch, me and my accomplices. Pop a bottle, spot the bitch. Get the bitch, got the bitch. Streets wanna know when you dropping it. Police wanna know how you got your six. Niggas on the side hate to watch the shit. See you on top, so they throw rocks and shit. Never was really with the talking shit. Me, I just went and got a pot to piss. Upgrade diamonds on my watch and shit. Pictures on the wall at my offices. AC coded in my Compton bitch. Talking that, you don't even need a condom shit. Look, I'm really on some baller shit. On some rich nigga, I ain't gotta call you shit. On some fuck with me if you loyal shit. Everybody in my circle gets spoiled shit. Really started in the soil shit. Crowns on the wrist, that's real shit.
I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone
Check it out.
that they don't forget us.
Look, we just sitting here trying to win. Drop 20 bands, you can fly us in. Turn down deals, they gon' try again. We need a partnership, but they don't sign in here. You don't see the type of cars we in. You don't see the shows and the lines for them. You don't know the spots we residing in. Nigga, we straight with no, ain't no enticing them. Look at my life, my friend. I got the right to win. I put the grinding in, even on them nights when them lights was dim. When my hope was low, I found light within. I know it's ups and downs, so every loss I took, I knew to strike again. And I be saying a lot. That's a priceless gem. And if we live in a hell, is it alright to sin? I had a goal to chase, a life to live. I try to wash my hands, pull me right back in.
Just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us.
Picture me rolling, tip of my chauffeur. Nigga look jealous, gotta control it. Reaching my quota, mixing my soda. Feeling connected to God, trying to get closer. Stepping on roaches, me and my loasters. Just trying to get over, try not to get swallowed by locusts. Trying to stay focused, kinda like Moses. Like somebody chose us, sweat on my shoulder. I feel these emotions, but still I keep going. I've been to a poet, I've been through the motions. I'm feeling heroic, but life is a dice game, and they dare you to blow it. You might get a stripe, man, but that ain't gonna pay for the strollers. It's never enough to console her. Tell her your daddy a soldier. She needs you right now in this moment. Now dead on your back pushing roses. So me, I'm just carving a sculpture and fine-tuning my approaches. Doubling back as the owner. The moment of truth is opponents, call them promoters.
Picture me rolling with my friends, not a worry. Then we get stopped by the police.
Sweet. Let's get it. Let's get it. Sorry I'm a little late. I'm brewing up some coffee, getting ready for this little 10 a.m. news we got going on. But per usual, all right, let's start with a little recap from yesterday. FOMC. Watching that 1 minute fair value gap. Alright, watching that 1 minute fair value gap. And look at where the turning point is here. Alright, this is crucial. Alright, this is crucial here. Look at where the turning point is on where it drew to from that 1 minute fair value gap. Look at that. Only 2 handles past it. What is this right here? FOMC single low that we talked about we were aiming for. Sheesh. 33 handles just there. And then what does it do? Right. Purges that liquidity. Then starts working its way back up. Right, exactly what we were talking about yesterday. Exactly. Clean that up. All right, so let's talk about today. All right, weekly candle expanding up. All right, it is also Thursday, first of the month. Right, so we got a new monthly candle. All right, we finished July. kind of just in between, right? These look efficient. The low on that is 432.50. The high on this is 430.75. So that's efficient right there. There's no busy being left, right? Looks like we're just continue working our way up, right? We filled this monthly busy here. Right, now we're just working our way up. On the weekly, jump into the daily now. Trading up past this, right? This SIBI, this daily SIBI, into what? That volume imbalance we were talking about. Right, so we're currently in that volume imbalance. We also have this single high inside this SIBI, right, which is buy side liquidity, and potentially forming a daily SIBI or a daily busy here. Still got those relatively equal lows intact. Right. 4 hour, right? Traded above here, the short-term high. Left this busy open, this 4 hour busy open. Right, we're currently in that, back in that, what we were talking about yesterday, that new day opening gap. New day opening gap. Alright, we also have a new day opening gap we traded to during London. Here. Alright, we're now just above London highs, previous day highs. Right, clear some equal lows here. Alright, we traded higher. Drop into the 15-minute. Swept those lows. Filled some imbalance here. Right before the open. Right now we're currently here, rough, just above FOMC's price. Right here. Right, just purchased single high here. If we're looking at how the week has played out so far, let's see. We started here on the weekly, or on the this week. Right, we opened right about here. Setting the low on Tuesday. Alright, expanding Wednesday, Thursday. Alright, Thursday are potentially the opposite end of the weekly range. And we're in that new day opening gap here. We're currently in that right now. Rated London high. I purged that buy side liquidity. Potentially forming this 15-minute busy here.
Granny 88, she had my uncle in there. A miscarriage back to back every year for like 10. Pregnant with my mom's, doctor told her it was slim. Was bed row for 9 months, but gave birth in the end. Pops turned 60, he proud what we done. In one generation, he came from Africa young. He said he met my mom's at the Century Club. Los Angeles love, kinda like Hustle and Bud. Money turned 10, Cross turned 2.
Price structure on the 1 hour is not looking too specific. Right, it's kind of just like in this consolidation range right here. Right, we did feel some imbalance in here, right, with FOMC. Right, but other than that, it's kind of just been hanging out. Right, we had the short-term low here. Right, we didn't quite get displacement. We got a little CB in there, so we just took this high. So it looks like it was possibly kind of wanting to turn right there. Right, but now right, we got 10 minutes left in this candle. Let's see if it closes strong right above the short-term high, or if it's kind of just like a little purge. We're just purging liquidity. Right, because look at this is interesting. After we purge that high, right, potentially have this CB forming. Yeah. Have you guys noticed too this week the ranges, right, with FOMC and everything, the ranges are very wide. Look at this, just a single candle right here is 6 handles. Filling in some of that potential inefficiency, right? Potential, why is it potential inefficiency? Right, because there's 8.5 minutes left in this candle still, right? And so far it's there's buy side inefficiency, so buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. All right, we took this high, this short-term high here. All right, we have this potential 1 minute CB forming. All right, range is pretty wide here. About 6 handles.
If you broke bread, you got chip now. Couple things you can't buy inside this town. Loyalty, love, and respect. The niggas will extort you out your check. Bet you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm bustin' proof. I bet you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm bustin' proof. I bet you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm bustin' proof. I bet you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm bustin' proof. Look, I don't give a fuck how you niggas feel. I can tell a fake, I can tell a real. Got a purple heart out the
that range there is over just about 6 handles. Right, we got news coming up here in about 8 minutes. That's also when that 1 hour is gonna close.
Take a life or I take a L. Tell me even out the playing field. Niggas wasn't playing fair. Solo still made it here. Rich real nigga ass up. Coming straight off the slumps. Crazy motherfucker named Nipsey. I'm turned up cause I grew up in the 60s. Caution to you rap niggas try and diss me. I go hard. That's why your bitch wanna flip me. Big guns, nigga turn rivals into rosaries, extended clips. I give a fuck who you supposed to be. Straight off the block, I sold dope to buy groceries. Now it's rap money, no advances, all royalties. You broke nigga, you can follow me. It's fuck bitches, get money, keep some hollow heads logically. And I'm for where homicide boost the economy. Pay taxes to these corners and putting in work as a policy. It's white chalk on the corners. It's yellow tape on the gates. Choppers up above, that's cuz a tiny locs run the streets where I'm from. Small introduction to this Nipsey Hussle music. Us money and bitches, that's the way that we do it. First get your grind on, then get your shine on. Then come through daytime with the lights on. Then hit the fast lane, and let your chain swing. You get like a doctor, but you gang bang. Yeah, it's hustle in the head.
Right, we got about traded up into that 1 minute CB that we had marked up here. All right, after taking the London high, also previous day's high. All right, this high took the previous day high, and then this high is from London, the highest high from London. All right, we got this 1 minute CB here. All right, that we're watching. All right, a little too far out of the range for 5 handles, but watching this 1 minute CB here. All right, potentially gonna form that 15-minute busy.
that Tulum just to smoke. Look, listening to music at the Mayan ruins. True devotion on the bluest ocean. Cruising. My cultural influence, even revolution. I'm integrated vertically, y'all niggas blew it. They tell me hustle, dumb it down, you might confuse them. This ain't that weirdo rap you motherfuckers used to. Yeah.
The breeze stops blowing. The sun just leaves the sky.
Yeah, this your life, you can play with it. You make your bed, you gon' lay in it. Do your thing, just be safe with it. Triple bunks in the state prison.
That'd be interesting if we leave this 15-minute busy open here. Yeah, that'll be interesting.
Asking if that nigga neighborhood what? Like I wouldn't take it to the back with you. Same nigga walking track with you. Same nigga shot a strap with you. Same nigga bought a sack with you. 19 touching 2 birds. Alpinas off a few swerves. Gray leather in my white Lincoln. Shit smelling like a new purse. 2 C's on my bitch shit. My money rising like Bisquick. 6 words help you get this. Rich rapper on some crib shit. I pray for blessings as a young nigga. Not to learn the hard lessons of a drug dealer. Triple life with a gang enhancement. The judge triple white and he hates your blackness. He slammed the gavel with a racist passion. Got you waiting on the pills, but your patience passing. And all you got to offer is a fight. It's too late to run the
Got news here dropping in about 3 minutes.
Don't cry tears, they don't fly here. And if you don't die here, you're supposed to fly leers. 365 years like a dog year. No wonder why these niggas 20 and got white hairs. Stressing like they 40 and some change. Slowly in this game, all my homies is in pain. And Brody is the slang, but it don't mean he your brother. It don't mean you can trust him. It don't mean that he love you. And we was raised wrong, but we stayed strong. And when we kept it real, we got faked on. And when we showed up, we got flaked on. But why them niggas story getting cake homes? I bet my life I'm a dice shaker. Electric lights on a skyscraper. It's up and downs for a real nigga. But you'll be lame all your life, hater. Mac 10 in my black Benz. Show me signals of betrayal, can't be back friends. Long flights get my mind right. Victory to me.
If we displace below the short-term low here, right, I would think that would be higher confidence, right, in this 1 minute shift to market structure. Because we also got news here happening in about a minute and a half. If this SIBI forms here and we displace below this low, the short-term low here, leave this SIBI, right, I'd be willing to take that. Because they'll probably use the news to fill this in, right, to tap into there. And then, right, we can start displacing lower. Right, so we just took that short-term low here, potentially forming a 1 minute SIBI. Yeah, but it looks like it's a little out of range, right? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's like over just about 6 handles. Yeah, unless we start closing this up.
We ain't finna wait no more, so don't waste my time. Remember when we
I think that barely fits. I think it's exactly 5 handles right there. If they leave that open. Let's see here.
Now you up, huh? Make it hard to trust, huh? Got you fucked up, saying it was luck, huh? Pulling up, huh? Limo tent the trucks, huh? Open trust, huh? Then you fill 'em up, huh?
Oh, I think it just missed us when it tapped into that right there.
Time you hit the road, you fill 'em up, huh? Whole city know that you became the one.
Oh, I think it literally just missed us right when we tapped, right when it tapped into there. See, look at that, using the news, right, for the entry, right, and then getting that displacement. But I think it just missed us. Watch the replay on that. I think I put it in like 2 seconds before. 2 seconds before. If we don't purge, let's see that 15 minute. Where that 15 minutes at? We already tapped into that 15 minute. It just missed us. I think I put the order in like a split second right behind it. Oh, that happened so quick. I tried to get that in real, like a second before that close. All right. I think that was literally, I gotta watch that over again. But I think that was literally 1-2 seconds too late. Yeah, this. Watch the replay. Watch the replay on that. I think it was literally just 1 second too late. But that was literally the fair value gap right there. That's funny. That's funny. Let me watch that real quick. That was literally just I think literally a half a second right before I put that order in right there. Let me watch that real quick.
Fuck where your hoes at, or where your roads at, where your backbone, nigga, where your code at, where your down since
Let
day
me
one,
see
real
here.
bros at, where them stories that you telling unfold at, where your heart, nigga, where your soul at, we got old school ways we expose at, ain't no guarantees, but you know that. Niggas die every day, can't control that.
Yeah, literally, that was it right there.
Run through your hardest homeboy, you could go next. 85 cut dog, hustle at the Rolex, chain on my white tee. Now you see the progress. Stacked every chip on myself, time to collect all money.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, I was a little too slow because it moved up one more tick higher at the last second. That's why I moved the order slightly up. Yeah, I was literally like 1-2 seconds. That was just an instant 10 handle run right off the rip.
That's why I call my thing the marathon.
Right off the rip.
I'm not gonna lie and portray.
Right off the rip.
Poise, like I've had it figured out. Nah, I just didn't quit. That's the only distinguishing quality from me and probably whoever else going through this or went through this or is gonna go through this, is that I ain't quit. I went through every emotion. With trying to pursue what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And I think that
just missed us by 1 or 2 seconds.
Go for something is that you ain't gonna quit. Unless you're gonna really take the stance.
Right, we did trade down into that 15-minute imbalance here. Right, and we just traded back up into that 1 minute Sibby. Alright, about 7 handles. Alright, revisiting that same fair value gap.
Ain't no guarantees, but you know that. Niggas die every day, can't control that.
I think that our reaction to being disrespected, we have to reassess how we react. You know what I mean? I think that we've been known as hip hop to make songs, and that's a part of it. And then we gotta go a step further, because I think that it's like a disease in your body. Once you start giving it a treatment, it'll get immune to the treatment, and you gotta try something else to kill that disease. So I think protest music is important. I think that YG was a genius.
Where your hoes at? Or where your roads at? Where your backbone, nigga, where your code at? Where your down since day one real bros at? Where them stories that you telling unfold at? Where your heart, nigga? Where your soul at? We got old school ways we expose that. Ain't no guarantees, but you know that. Niggas die every day, can't control that.
All right, and there we go. All right. Since we traded down into that 15-minute imbalance, right? That's our low-hanging fruit objective right here. All right. Looks like we're coming for this low, this single low here. But that was my low-hanging fruit objective. That's why I canceled the order. Right, but it looks like we just did another 13 or so handles, 14 handles. Right, from that same fair value gap. Right, saw that first shift in market structure, then that second shift in market structure, right, leaving that SIBI, right, executing just literally 1 second, 2 seconds too late by putting in that order. Watch the replay on that. Literally watch the replay on that. Watch the replay of the order just putting in right as it gets into that SIBI. All right. Got that 15-minute short-term low here. All right, that sell side liquidity that we could be drawing towards. All right, look at that. Just 17.5 handles right off the rip like that. Right off the rip.
Money, power, respect. All my weapons is fresh. On the west, I'm a wreck. I'm the fucking connect. I can cut you a check. I can put you in the game, let you hustle the rest. Got a lust for success, you know it come with the stress. So we party every night. What the fuck you expect? Round, out of bounds, 40 cal.
There we go. Just rated that sell side liquidity below the short-term low here. All right, that was real nice. Real nice. Just purge that 15-minute short-term low, right? Here, potential 15-minute SIBI, right? Still got some time on this 15-minute candle, about 7 minutes. Yeah. But if we leave this 15-minute SIBI open, right, we do another shift in market structure inside that 15-minute SIBI, right? That potential 15-minute SIBI, right? That'd be something I'm willing to take. Yeah, but literally go back to the timestamp right here. What is that? A minute? Yeah, like a minute before that 7 a.m. news drop. Watch how the order gets put in literally 1 second after the news gets released. Damn, bitch, let me live. I wanna be a baller. Hit the mall, ring it all up. It's 10 G's, ring it all up. Hit the strip club. We make a mess, clean it all up. Black China, clean it all up. I do it cause I can. African American, they never wanted us to have bands. Do you hear what I'm saying? Haven't had those in a while, right? Where that news fills in our shift in market structure. Yep, haven't had those in a while.
Bitch, I'm in A600, 10s, 20s, 50s, 100s. Bitch, I'm in A600. I want an all black Benz without no tent, so you can see the gold glow when the sun shine in. Want Pirellis on stocks, I don't want no rims. Want a big stash spot to put this 4-5 in, I want
Right, potential shift to market structure on the 15-minute. All right, potentially leaving this 15-minute SIB again. Let's see where this current 15-minute candle closes.
No, I came too far. Change my ways, no, I change my bra. Change my change, never change my squad. And stack till I can change my car. Cause I wanna dance, I wanna look good with my friends. I need my money, that don't never end. I wanna blow some bands, and still have some bands. I wanna be the motherfucking bitch, I wanna beans. I wanna look good with my friends. I need my money, that don't never end. I wanna blow some bands, and still have some bands. I wanna be the motherfucking bands. Runaway bus catching. Blue line train riding west side with the young extras. These old rules came with no questions. Wrong and live by, but it's no exceptions. Was young and reckless with loaded weapons. It's code of ethics and self-destruction. When it's over, you left with nothing. This life ain't it, boy, better check the subtext or the fine print. Felt entitled to this fly shit. Felt like every bad bitch should be on my dick. Felt like niggas lied to us on some.
Right, if we leave this potential SIBI open, right, I'll be looking for a shift in market structure on the lower time frame inside of there. Right, we also have this. Oh, never mind. 2 minutes. The other lower time frames not looking as clean as that 1 minute. Right, that 1 minute was super clean right here.
Told him I ain't banging in list, so I gave him one. Not just a diddy one. Nigga tried to hit him up. Now you wanna get him up and set it up and wet it up. Now I'm from the hood, checking niggas on the daily. Started off BG, OG, baby. Real life homie, 2 heaters in my seat. Had to check a nigga at the Compton swap meet. Where you from? I don't bang. Where you live? Where you hang? Say the wrong thing, then bang. Lights out, kites out to the homies in the pen. Crippin' in the city, we ain't letting cuz in. A lot of niggas camouflage, try to blend in to fit in. Get a hood rat so they can sit in. But if she got a brother, a daddy, or a cousin, they hit your ass up like a motherfucker. Where you from, cuz?
That's unfortunate, but nonetheless, right? It's still in confirmation on the idea that I put out, right? That's kind of the thing that matters the most. This was only a one. Was this only 1 tick? Oh, 2 tick or 1 tick once you use account for spread. That was only a 1 tick imbalance right there, right? That's looking real nice right there. That was looking real nice. Risking 4.5 handles for over 10. Yeah, that was looking real nice. But right, everything called out beforehand. Just more confluence, right? More confluence on the setup, right? Let's see, we got that 15-minute candle closing in a couple minutes here. All right, this potential SIBI being left open. All right, we'll have to wait for that next 15-minute candle to close. All right, that'll be around 7:30. All right, go back and watch that news drop right at 10 a.m. All right, just traded below that 15-minute low here. We purge that sell side liquidity. I'm the streets voice out west, legendary self-made progress. Last time that I checked, first you get the money, then respect, and the power and the hoes come next. Last time that I checked, I've been self-made from the dribble. I was been saying I'm a killer. Nah, playing no games with you niggas. Pop clutch, switch lanes on you niggas. Nah, I laid down the game for you niggas. Taught you how to charge more than what they paid for you niggas. All right, looks like that. Right, closing below near the low. right? Near that low right there, close below. That would give us more confidence here. There we go. Close below this short-term low. Right, now we're gonna wait for price to see what price wants to do with this potential 15-minute SIBI. Right, potential, right, because the candle is still forming, right? It's got 15 minutes, right? This candle just started, so this is a potential, right? Or I like to call it a pending, right? A pending 15-minute SIBI being created.
Poke my chest out, nigga. Wait on my show to bring the best out, nigga. Get it right or you get left out, nigga. Look, playing pocket my cassette loud, nigga. I remember feeling like a stepchild, nigga. I would hate to see my mama stressed out, nigga. And Black Sam to tell me poke your chest out, nigga. I could die today, I made the set proud, nigga. And I could fly away, but I respect vows, nigga. Used to always say I make the whole world feel us. Now I'm on a tour around the whole world, nigga. Paparazzi waiting at my hotel, nigga. Smoking while I'm driving, that's with no else, nigga. 20 bands a month, just for your bills, nigga. Princess cut diamonds up in your grill, nigga. Now smile in every camera and show your trill, nigga. You feed them what you want, cause that's your kill, nigga. And through the darkest days, I was like, oh well, nigga.
That was real nice.
I don't stress out, nigga. Poke my chest out, nigga. Wait on my show to bring the best out, nigga. Get it right or you get left out, nigga. Look, I never fold under mental pressure. I get better, ain't no code to y'all misconception. I'm just special, this an ode to my intersection. May God bless and save my soul from its imperfection. I can't measure with a number all these niggas resting.
Yeah.
It's a lot and you that young and with this
Some
life
lazy
and death.
shit.
You shell shot but ain't no tears in
What? Count up that low, count up that low. Nigga, count up that low, that's just what I do. Count up that low, nigga. What? Count up that low, count up that low. Nah, count up that low, count up that low. Nah, black on black beans, young niggas salute. Nah, go Cuban links, just rapping my roots. Nah, blood, sweat, and tears, just squeezing my fruits. Nah, top of my game, and what's up with you? Nah, pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Nah, don't play no games, boy, I'm busted proof. Can't fuck with me, I don't fuck with you. You a fucking fraud, I'm the fucking truth. I went solo on that ass, I think I'm fucking Snoop. Solo in this game, I'm like fuck the group. Solo in my SLBs like fuck the roof. That's fucking true, that's fucking hoe. Nip motherfucker, looking like a hustler do. I built this label up just like Russell do. Give me 10 years, they gon' be like Russell who? Never trust them fools, get a fucking clue. I skip the meetings, tell them fans, watch my fucking moves. I'm Birdman and blue chucks, watch my fucking shoes. On Suge Knight, I'm Jay Prince, I'm like fuck the rules. I'm Austin Rose, I'm Jonah Berger. This ain't black on black crime, but it's fucking murder. This beat ain't even mixed, but it's fucking perfect. They paid 100 for my tape and it was fucking worth it. Shout out to Wendy Williams, cause she helped me surface. Shout out my nigga Jigga, cause he made that purchase. Shout out my nigga Sway, my nigga B-Dot. Who kids sold out the first day we had to restock. Look, count up that low, count up that low. Look, black on black beans, young niggas salute. Look, go Cuban links, just repping my roots. Look, blood, sweat, and tears, just squeezing my fruits. Look, my nigga Hoggy got shot in his head. Look, I got that car and they said he was dead. Look, I couldn't cry, but it hurt a nigga. Mostly because he was too young to find his purpose, nigga. Such a long, long time. Looks like I get you off of my mind, but I can't. Just the thought of you.
What a nice little. What is that? Oh my gosh. That's 56, 30 handles. Something like that. 30, yep, just about 30 handles. From that small little 2-tick fair value gap. Real nice. Looking real nice. Right, still leaving that 15-minute imbalance open. Right, it hasn't moved up. Look at that. That's only from what it was. Let's see. Only went up 1.5 handles. Okay, so we got that guy right there. But wow, I'll talk about that slight adjustment. Going up one more tick. Right, adjusting and then pressing that order. That's funny. Yeah, what did I call out right before that? This is going to be a news dropping filling fair value gap. Right when you drop that news, it's going to fill this fair value gap in. Yeah, if I'm watching the timestamp, I had the order pulled up at 2 seconds, 1 second. Boom. It sent the order 1 second past that news release. Yeah. Solid. All right. That's what I like to call finger on the pulse. All right. Calling it out beforehand. All right. Exactly what it's going to do. All right. Calling it out beforehand. Exactly what it's going to do. And then it just doing the do. It just doing the do. But go watch that replay. Go watch that replay and see for yourself. Right? See for yourself. See for yourself. See, right? Don't take my word for it. See for yourself what I was saying, right? When we got that first shift to market structure, and then when we got that second shift to market structure. Right? Go back to like right when the first AM macro session was starting, 950. Right? Creating that first SIBI. Right? Go back to it. Don't take my word for it. See if I'm right. If there's any validity to it, right? Or I'm just talking out of just randomness.
How you doing, baby? Don't skip nothing. No, play this. This the best album in the world, baby. Very peaceful. You know.
Also, a side note, little quick update. Still, what, about $500 from the profit target, a little bit less than that for one of the accounts. I just let, and the subscription expired today, so I just let it renew. I didn't even try to push it and try to pass it before the next cycle, right? I'd rather just keep those profits that over 5% in the account, right? And just let it renew. That's different compared to what I did last time, right? I was trying to rush it, trying to pass it on high probability setups, just so I wouldn't have to pay for the subscription again, right? The next month. But, you know, I'd rather just keep the 5% in it and let it renew, right? Let it renew. I'm gonna keep that 5%, and then I could just work on finishing the other half of it. You know, the other 1% on the next setup. All right, we got that 15-minute candle closing here in about 5 minutes. All right, got a pretty nice 15-minute SIBI being left open potentially here. That's looking good. That's looking good.
My shit, so I showed them how it go. I got family in the O, that's my cousin, Lil Joe. Went to school in the city, civics, and in the mall off time. Yeah.
All right, we got that 1 hour, right? Coming below this short-term low now. All right. Places to draw to. We have this 1 hour busy, right? From yesterday morning, London session. That's around 50% of this whole move. All right, that's how I can see us drawing to next. All right, got some short-term lows here, some sell-side liquidity. All right, potentially 1 hour shift in market structure. You know, about to close that 15-minute in, leave this 15-minute Sibi in.
How you been? I'ma keep it 100, I hit it again. My name is Larry, and bitch I'm an Aries, and bitch I'm a player.
Solid, very solid.
These niggas is weird, so I'm to the neck. Riding around the bay, I got traps to check. I never hit those, but I checked the net. Told her jump in the shower before she hop in my bed. Player shit, new outfit, I'm killing shit. Barbecue with my niggas on some cool and shit. Yeah. Nigga off top. Yeah. Nigga off top. Yeah. Nigga off top. Yeah. Nigga off top. How you doing, baby? I know you still thinking about me. Quit playing, hit a nigga line. You know I fuck with you. So quit playing with me. Let me talk to you. Baby, I can do a lot for you. I can be the one you can call when you down. I can be the one you can call when you land. Why you looking sexy like that? Quit playing. Hair on point in her body like that. I'm working on trying to be the best that I can. Believe in yourself, put trust in your plan. You make a nigga wanna jump fresh, dry the rap. Smoking, cooling, laughing, was heading. Half moon bay just to grab some lunch. I was giving up, but you came in clutch. I've been texting baby girl a couple of months. She make a street nigga wanna fall in love with her. Yeah. Sure. You know I fuck with you. Man. But I brought G with me. Sure.
Yeah, looks like we're gonna leave that 15-minute Sibi open. All right.
Yeah. Turn me up. Man. Yeah. A nice day on the block. The trap is moving, the hose is out. Hey, Miss Parker.
That was the play though in the morning, right at the news drop. That was the play that we were waiting for, looking for, anticipating. Right there, right at the news drop. All right. Go back, watch this replay. Literally watch this replay, right? Of it happening real time, right? Me walking through real time. All right, calling that first shift to market structure, right? Too wide. Second shift to market structure, execute off that fair value gap, right? Aiming for that 15-minute imbalance. Don't take my word for it. Don't take my word for it.
Probably never follow on the gram, but I still tap. Bent the little bitch over twice and I killed that. I know she probably wanna be my main bitch real bad. So many diamonds in my chain make them feel bad. $100,000 ain't shit, I need real bad. Fuck all the chimney shit, bitch, I'm bringing real back. 3 cell phones and I still never call back. Baby just hit Monterey with a call at. Smack, 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 but I always use a Jimmy hat. Stack, 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 more M's, bitch, give me that. Work in the cut, case the shit slow up. She chose on the P, cause she know I go Zoom, zoom in a sports car, I'm moving. Buck 40 switching lanes, nigga, I'm fooling. Whole lot of games for these hoes, I'm schooling. Pay attention to me, I'll show you how I do it. I've been tough for a minute, but it's time to fuck around. Sweatpants on, still rock the 4 pound. Real street nigga, get the bag, then I'm out. Keep it going, go right here. I pimp and I rap, drive a Benz, not a leg, 2 12s in the back when I'm mob. Grab an A for the perk, fresh white t-shirt, no L's, but a young nigga slide. Got a bitch out the way, Brentwood to be exact. Suck dick like the bitch still in college. Don't make me take it back to 07, bitch, nigga, black hoodie with the Chinese chop. Don't give me no motherfucking Bama, bitch, nigga, in the 415.
Super solid, right? Super solid, super solid. Right. It's like you can't even be upset because, right? It's just anticipation, right? Anticipating that it would do that. You know, these setups happen all the time, right? We've done over 100 days documenting live price action. You know, some of the days, sure, recorded the videos, but it's basically the same thing that I'm doing right now live, right? Basically the same thing. And you know, it's undeniable, right? Calling it out beforehand, anticipating the moves. It's literally just, it's just undeniable. So, you know, setups happen all the time. These setups literally happen more days than not, right? The same exact thing happens over and over and over again, right? There's so many opportunities, right? The market presents so many opportunities, right? Daily, weekly, monthly basis, right? An idea, right? Everything planned out beforehand. Watch, go back and watch that replay. Everything planned out beforehand, right? Coming to fruition real time, right? Right before your eyes, literally right before your eyes, right? So go back to the news dropping right here at 10 a.m. Actually, go back before that. Go back to this 950, right? When the price action is just getting created, right? We get this first shift in market structure, right? Go back there, rewind it a little bit, and sure enough, you know, everything coming to fruition that I'm talking about and told you to pay attention to. Pretty simple. But other than that, right, coming to that 10:30 turn. So, you know, we're pretty far away from that 15-minute Sibi, right? We'll come back to that tomorrow, right, to wrap up the week. And with that being said, appreciate you for tuning in. Appreciate you for all the support. And we'll hop back on tomorrow morning for Friday session last week. And we'll see what the market presents. Appreciate you. Peace out.